Hey, honey, Wait, what? You're on your period? What? And you're in pain? Suffering from these cramps? No, I'm okay. I need a moment. Hang on. Why? What sick divine force would allow periods to exist? Ah! Just because you're not pregnant, you gotta deal with it every month for decades? God! Hey! You over there! You in the sky! Stop allowing your beautiful pixies to suffer through so much! Give it to me! I'll take on their pain!